Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. This ancient natural remedy has a growing list of scientifically proven health benefits. Did you know? Apple cider vinegar protects cells from changes that can lead to the development of disease. It also helps reduce inflammation in the joints, relieve pain, and improve joint mobility. Vinegar is a product that comes from natural fermentation. We have already taught you how to make it here on the channel. Watch the recommended video at the end. Apple cider vinegar has been used for over 2,000 years to season and preserve food, heal wounds, fight infections, clean surfaces, and fight diabetes, among other uses. But does it really work? That's what we're going to find out in today's video. A 2007 study of type 2 diabetics found that taking 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar can lower morning blood sugar levels by 4 to 6%. And in another 2018 study, apple cider vinegar was found to prevent diabetic complications in the liver and kidneys. Another study published in the U.S. National Library of Medicine found that apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties that can destroy Escherichia coli, a bacteria that can cause food poisoning and is responsible for many cases of diarrhea. Amazing, isn't it? Also, apple cider vinegar improves joint stiffness and helps with gout. In addition, another study has shown that the consumption of apple cider vinegar helps in losing weight, burning fat, and reducing calorie intake. Now that you know the benefits of apple cider vinegar, you may be wondering, how can you use apple cider vinegar to get those benefits? There are several ways to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet. One very simple way is to add some of the liquid to salad dressings. Also, you can just mix it with water and drink it. The amount of apple cider vinegar used for weight loss is 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 milliliters per day, mixed with a glass of water. Taking more than this amount isn't recommended. The use of apple cider vinegar can be dangerous in some cases because the concentration of the acid greatly varies depending on the fermentation time and quality of the fruit used. Therefore, it is always advisable to seek medical advice if you want to use apple cider vinegar to treat or prevent health problems, especially skin problems. Did you like to learn more about apple cider vinegar? If you made it this far, comment on the word apple cider vinegar below. Stay well! If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.